What's going on, viewers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best unique gift ideas for the woman in your life. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these gifts, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first gift idea we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Chateau wine decanter. Next up, in our number 4 spot, we've got the Blistex Medicated Mint Lip Balm. Next up at number 3 on our list, if she's a big reader, get her the Kindle Paperwhite. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Veken 6-set Packing Cubes Luggage Organizers. Last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the CAILYN O Curved Brush. Alright, viewers, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which gift idea you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.